Hello guys, welcome to the Python series Start of Python Programming. So far we have discussed about the string data types, and now we will see whether there are any operations that we can perform on string. See how string methods are available in Python. So, whenever we come across some programming, strings are everywhere in the program, like names in the form of names, messages, data, like everything. But what makes Python powerful is how easily you can manipulate strings. So let's see the first one. We will go through the basic string methods. Initially, first one is upper. Upper is a This is a method we can perform on a string. It converts to the uppercase. What it will do is it will convert all the letters, all the characters to uppercase. For example, we are taking text a variable and writing hello world. This is a string. Now using upper, we can convert all the characters into uppercase. So I'm directly giving a print function and also checking and converting the whole string into uppercase using the upper method. Let's run this. Oh, it will take some time. It's connecting. Okay, let's see. Once the output has come, we will check it again. And there is also another method called the lower also. See, it's here our output is hello world. By using we can convert the characters in a string into uppercase. Similarly, by using lower, it will convert the all letters into lowercase. If we want to convert every letter into a lowercase, we can then use lower. For suppose text is equal to Python as a programming language. For suppose I am taking the string in this way. Now I am intended to convert the text into lowercase letters. In such case, I can use lower method. Now run the program. See, everything I have given in a capital letters is converted into the lowercase letters. So lower can be utilized if we want to convert every letter into lowercase letters. And another method available in string methods is capitalize. That is, using title method we can convert the string in the format like capitalizing, in the sense every word starting will start with a capital letter. Let's check this. Text is equal to, we will use the same this one itself, this one. Either you can use this or we can write like this. Let us write everything in a small letter so that it will be easy to understand. Welcome to Python programming. Yeah, now I will be using text.title and converting into the form of title, in the form of title. Let's run this. See, every word starting letter is converted into the capital. In using title, we can capitalize each word. So another method is available. Here we can directly use a capitalize. Capitalize method is also available. Let's check this, what this will do. Capitalize is just, it only converts a first letter of the complete sentence. First word, first letter will be converted into the capital letter in capitalize. So text is equal to Python is fun. Text is equal to Python is fun. And let's apply the capitalize function on text. Text dot capitalize and the brackets. Let's run this. Here only the first letter of the complete sentence, first word, first letter is converted into capitalize. in title, every letter of each word is every word first letter is converted into capital letter in title. In capitalize, only the first letter of the first word is converted into capital letter. So that's the case. And one more method available is strip, dot strip. Using this, what we can do is it will remove spaces from both sides. For suppose a text is containing spaces, so if we don't want the spaces to be retained in the text, if we want to remove that space, then we can use strip. By using strip, we can remove the spaces. Here we have some space and here we have some space to the string, so this space can be removed using strip method. So let's take print function and directly apply the strip method, strip, and run this. Once we have used the strip method, all the space before and after the string is removed, so we got only the just hello world without any spaces. For suppose if we want to remove the space left side of the string, then we can explicitly use a lstrip. I am having the same hello world and I want to check text dot lstrip, left strip, and check whether it's applied or not. Yeah, here there is a space. See here, what we did is using lstrip, left word spaces, left side space of the word is removed, so we are not getting any space here. This is removed, but there is some space in the right side. See, this is visible. So right side space, this is not removed, only space on the left side is removed. Using right strip, we can remove the space in the right side of the word. For suppose I am taking a letter like this, a string like this, and print text dot right strip and run this. See, now the word, the letter, the string that we are given with space on the right side does not contain the space now. By using right strip, rstrip, we can do that. We can obtain that. And I'll also check some more examples. These are, till now we have seen some basic string methods. These are very obviously we will be using very certain type of simple methods. Now we will check some advanced string methods. Of course, these are also quite simple, but a little bit advanced methods. Let's see. Split. We want to convert a string into a list. If string matlab, till now we have seen string is containing many letters, many words. So if we want to convert, take each word as an element in a list, so by using split method we can obtain that. So text is equal to I am taking apple, banana and grapes. Here from apple to banana, apple to grapes, this is a complete string. This string is assigned to text. Now I am converting text into a list using dot split method, and I want list elements to be separated by comma. And now print items with the converted format. Yes, using dot split method we are able to separate the elements in the string. Like apple is separated, banana is separated, grapes is separated. As we have used comma to separate the elements here, so the same is printed in this format. Comma is used in order to separate the elements and a list is formed. So by using we can dot split method, we can convert the things into a list. And by using dot join method, we can convert list into a string. Reciprocation. Once we convert the string into a list, similarly if we want to convert the list elements into a string, let's check that one now. Items is equal to, let's create items in a list banana, grapes, and now let's see result is equal to I want to join the elements with hyphen and apply the join method, dot join. On what I want to apply this? On items. Then print result. Run the program. Yes, apple, banana, grapes. We have used the dot join method here, and here what happened here, join, we have passed the, what are the elements we want to pass through it? The list. So we pass the items. List is a, item is a name of the item is a variable containing list. So, and using separator, what separator we want to use, we are intended to use here, we have used hyphen. So hyphen is displayed in between each element. So we can also convert a list into a string by using dot join method. And another method we are having in list advanced methods is replace. How we can replace the element in a string? Suppose text is equal to Python is great. Let's print using the replace method, print replace. Yes, just replace great with fantastic. Let's check whether that works or not. Yeah, here replace should contain two parameters. One is great and another is fantastic. Here great already available in the string will be replaced by the fantastic. So we have to pass the two parameters inside the replace. Now check this. Yes, now great here available in the string is replaced with fantastic. So replace method can be utilized for replacing any element in a string. And next method is find. Let's check whether a string contains specific element inside it or not. So for that we can use find method. Python is a programming language, and let's apply print text.find. What do you want to find here? Let's see whether is available or not inside it. Let's run this. Yeah, is available. At what position is it available? It is available at index 7. So 1 2 3 4 5, here 6, and space is available at index 7. So we got the answer as 7 here. So this is one method, that is position, obtaining the position of a element character in a string. So by using find we can know the index of it, address of the element. And next method is count. So count, we know what count do is, it will give the number of occurrences of a particular element. For suppose string containing is, so suppose string is containing a multiple number of words like this: banana, apple. So repetitively we have given apple, and by using count method we can check how many times the apple is available in this. So let's run this. How many times apple is available? Where did it go wrong? So text.count apple is there. Why we got only so text is apple, banana. Print text.count, but this doesn't work, right? Let's see. Invalid syntax error. Yeah, see, text is equal to apple, banana, apple, and using count method we have passed the apple inside it, and checking whether number of times the apple is repeated inside in this string. So using count method we can do that. So apple is repeated 3 times here. So there is the output. We got the output as 3. Here what we did is we have placed plus symbol, so it went wrong. Let's run this. So we got the output 3. It worked. And let us see some real world cases how string methods can be applied while we are making a program in the real world. For suppose, let's take a person name like Alex, 25, engineer, India. So now let us apply the split method and convert the each one of the element in the string into a number of using split we can convert that. Let us convert this. Yeah, I want to split each element using dot and run this. Now we need to print, otherwise we won't get any output displayed here. So print parts. Yeah, Alex, 25, engineer, whatever available in a single string is now converted into a list format having separated by these elements dot, right? Yeah, now it will give. Okay, it gave a proper format now. Alex, 25, engineer, India, separated by comma. We have used a dot split method. Usually this data will be sometimes we will be getting all the message data, then we can convert in this way. Now we can also extract some values from the above, like I am doing, as we have converted the elements into the list format. Now we can write like this: name is equal to parts 0, age is equal to integer format parts 1, job is equal to parts 2, country is equal to parts 3, and run this. So each element of it is converted into each element. We are picking each element from this. We have assigned the splitted data to the parts, and this is part 0, index 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and I am separately assigning these values to name, Alex to name, and age to 25, age 25 to age, and engineer to job, and India is a country. I am assigning to some variables separately. Now print the assigned variables. Now the values inside them will be printed. Now job comma country, and let's run this. Whatever the assigned values are printed here. So in that way we can split a text into elements and assign them to some variables, and we can print the variables also. So that is one example. And another one we can do is format a string output. For suppose formatted is equal to f name. Above we have assigned name. Alex is assigned to the variable name now. So title, I'm using expressions here. So I have taken f here. If we start with f, it means formatted string. In formatted string, everything we have writing inside a string not need to be the thing that we need to display as it is. If there are any expressions or variables somewhere and we want to fetch the data of that, in such cases we can use a formatted string. So here name.title, I want to get Alex value here. So name.title can be taken as an expression here, and is a what is the person doing? What is the person? He is an engineer. So I am taking job, variable job, and writing country. Okay, and let's print the formatted string. print formatted. Let's run this. Yeah, I have given formatted, I created a formatted variable and assigned the formatted string to the formatted. And using f string I can fetch some data available or assigned to the some other variables. So here what happened is Alex is a engineer from India is printed. So the data expressions what they are pointing towards, name is containing Alex. So title, in using title we can convert the first letter to capital letter. So Alex, in the Alex A is capitalized using dot title method. So Alex is a engineer. How engineer came? Here job expression. So job is pointing towards where? Here job is containing this variable engineer. So engineer from country. Country expression is pointing towards India. So India. Alex is a engineer from India. So these are the used cases everywhere. From data cleaning to the real world applications, like we will be getting some CSV processing, and in such cases string methods are also quite so useful. So in the next video we will explore some methods, other methods on string. Thank you for watching.